to Griffin's Industrial Welding School. My name is Mr. Griffin. Today we're going to go over a 1G, how to fill up a 1G V Groove Weld, and also how to prep the metal for the weld. We're going to be using the 3/8 inch plate, and we're going to break down every step of the process, okay? Today, we're going to go over how to prep a 1G V Groove Weld, okay? Whenever you're prepping your metal, this is a 3/8 plate. The first thing we want to do is tack it, and we're going to grind off all the mill scale and put a nice landing on the metal, okay? All right, so whenever you get ready to tack it, you want to put your electrode in the electrode holder. I always put the metal part in there. If you put it on the flux, it will not strike, okay? All right, whenever you get ready to tack it, we're going to tack this end to the plate, okay? All right, when I say watch your eyes, that means drop your welding hood down. When I say uncover, that means you can lift your hood up, okay? All right, watch your eyes. Now we're gonna tack the other plate. Watch your eyes. Whenever you're done, you always want to take the electrode out of the electrode holder. As long as the electrode is inside of the electrode holder, any metal that you touch, it will strike, okay? So we're gonna take our rod out. We're gonna put our electrode holder to the side. All right, now the first step is we need to grind the mill scale and clean our plate up real nice and neat, okay? So whenever you're grinding, the first thing you wanna do is we're gonna take our wire wheel off and put a grinding wheel on, okay? Normally you want to unplug it so that way if it cuts on accident, you don't cut your hand up, okay? So what we're going to do, we're going to go ahead and unplug it before we switch out the wheels. Now when you're getting ready to switch out a wheel, all you want to do is you give it a little spin. When it locks, that means it's time for it to come off. You take your right palm and you can push down on it, and you see it'll come right off, okay? All right, now whenever you're putting on a grinding wheel, you're gonna put the wheel on, give it a little spin until it attaches on there, press the button, and make sure it's locked in. You always wanna have a guard on whenever you're using the grinder, okay? That's just a good safety practice, okay? All right, so we're gonna put our grinder over here. We're gonna plug it back in, okay? Now, when you get ready to grind, you always wanna keep your grinder at an angle, okay? Normally, whenever you're doing a 1G groove weld, most coupons are beveled at a 37.5-degree angle. This angle is a little tighter just to make it a little more challenging. So this angle is more of like a 33-degree angle, okay? So when I grind it, I'm gonna say, watch your eyes. And all we're doing is keeping our grinder at an angle so that we keep a nice bevel on the plate as we grind the mill scale, okay? Watch your eyes. All right, now you see how we've cleaned it up real nice and neat. Okay. All right, now the next step is you want to clean up the bottom edge so you have a nice smooth surface. Then I'm going to show you how to put an actual landing on the metal, okay? When you're cleaning up the bottom edge, you can come under the bottom and just kind of smooth it out. Whenever you get ready to stop your grinder, always stop it on the metal, okay? All right, now we have a nice, clean, smooth bevel, okay? We have the mill scale off, but we're gonna show you how to do a landing, and then we're gonna make sure that it's not bigger than an 8, okay? Watch your eyes. When you're doing your landing, you wanna angle your grinder like this. Okay. All right, now when you finish your landing, you take a 1/8 rod, and I don't know if you can see this line right here on the bottom. It's a real light line, but you want to take a 1/8 rod and make sure it's not bigger than an 1/8. Okay, and just kind of go down the plate and make sure your landing is not bigger than an 1/8. This is a real light line that you see right here on the base of the metal. If you're looking to enroll in a new career, you're in the right place. Welding is a career that's in high demand. There's a shortage of about 400,000 welders nationwide right now. So if you're really interested in learning this trade, you can sign up at griffinsindustrialweldingschool.com. You can also call us at 281-782-9713. Again, that's 281-782-9713. And you can subscribe to us at Griffin's Industrial Welding School, where hard work comes before success.